Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ree, and today I'm going to be reviewing my Easy Bake Oven that I got for Christmas. And I'm so excited because I absolutely love to cook sweet treats. Alright, so here it is, the Easy Bake Ultimate Oven. Now let's see what's inside. Alright, so what I received in the box was my Easy Bake Oven. I have the on and off button. I have the Easy Bake Light, and it's pink and purple over here, and it has glitters. And I have the pan pusher. I have the pan, and I have the crystals, the frosting, and the brownie mix. And I have the instructions, and I have to preheat it for 20 minutes, and then I'll see you when I'm done with that. So now I'm going to make brownies with vanilla frosting and crystals on top of them. So first I'm going to pour this whole thing of vanilla frosting. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 1/4 teaspoon of water. Now I'm going to stir until smooth. I'm going to add a little bit more water to this because it's a little chunky. That looks fine. Now I'm going to set this aside. Alright, so now they said to spray the pan. I already did that. Now I'm going to add the chocolate brownie mix into the cup. Then I'm going to add 1 1/2 teaspoon of water. Then I'm going to stir until it's thick like dough. Sprinkle flour on your hands. So I did that. Then to take the dough out, then roll it into one ball. Then I roll it into a ball. break this and put it into 2 balls. So now I'm gonna make 6 little balls out of this and put it on the pan. Alright, so now I'm gonna put the brownies in the oven for 15 minutes and I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, now they're done, I'm gonna take them out and let them cool. Alright, so now the brownies are done. And we're going to put the frosting and the crystals on them. This is so good. This is absolutely amazing. I really like this, but I'm gonna get more mixes so that I can make more sweet treats. And I give this oven a 10. But that's it for now. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.